My name is Felicia Melanie Reyes, and I'm a student at Johnston Community College in the Welding program. Well, my mom, my grandma, and I used to go to festivals, and I would see all these homemade things like whirlybirds and yard decorations, and I just thought that was so cool, the art aspect of it. And then you're looking at it and you're thinking, oh, I wonder how they did that. And I told me they welded it together. They welded these pieces together. They cut these pieces of metal out and they welded those together. And I just thought that was the coolest thing. After high school, I went to a 4-year university, which I thought I was going to be studying for my long-term career, which that just didn't really work out for me, and I started to lose focus. I took some time off from school, thought about my other options. This past fall semester, I took the general classes, but I was sitting in biology and I was just like, I don't want to do this. This is what I want to do. So I decided I'm not going to waste their time, I'm not going to waste my time, I'm just going to move on and start welding. I knew nothing about welding. I just assumed that they slapped some pieces of metal together and that was it. But it's actually a lot more than that. My favorite is cutting and processing right now. The acetylene torches, I think that's so cool. But I am taking TIG right now, which I do very much enjoy. I haven't got my hands on the stick or the MIG, but right now TIG and the acetylene torches are pretty fun. I like that. Johnston Community College was the right choice for me because it's local, it's close to home, it's close to work. Just being in that community, growing up here, I see familiar faces and it's nice to see. And I don't have to spend $20,000 a semester as a commuter. I would like people to know that it's not a walk in the park. It's not going to be easy. You can't be afraid to sweat, get dirty. It's not something you take lightheartedly because, there a lot of times there are people's lives at risk and injuries and such. And I would definitely go for the associate's degree. More time, more practice means more money.